Hey Plan Fam, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Tiffany. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by and we hope you stick around. And if you're returning, welcome back friends. Today we're doing a massive refresh of my closet in my bedroom. I used to have a walk-in closet. I've had to downsize, moving into an apartment, and so I'm trying to organize my space. I do like the way that my clothes are in my closet, but I need to figure out how to organize all this stuff up top. So I'm going to show you guys kind of the things I've bought so far to help me get organized, and then take you through the process with me. So let's get started. So to get started with this project, I bought myself a few things to kind of help me with the organizing piece of it. I purchased two different types of storage boxes. These actually have a cute little pattern to them. I don't know if you can tell as much on camera, but they basically have a closed top, and then it's a cute little gray and white pattern on the sides. I also plan to use the other ones to house some of the more random things. So the first step I want to do is kind of take everything off those top shelves, wipe them down, and then figure out where I need to put things. Oh, maybe before I do that, I need to assemble these boxes. So let's do that first.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so now I've used my little step stool to wipe down the shelf, and I took everything out of it. I have my storage bins assembled. This is the larger version with the flip top, which I love. I also have these gray and white ones, which are really cute, and they have the tops that come on and off. I like that all of them have the window so I can kind of see what's inside, and this one has the flip top as well in the pattern version. So I'll link these in the description below. They're all from Amazon. As I said before, my clothes are pretty much the way that I want them to be right now, and I have like all of my pants together, skirts, and things that are pretty color coded in my closet, though it may not look like it just from this angle. I will do another video where I show you kind of how I end up storing all of my shoes, because I have a lot of shoes and I want to be able to see them, and I also want to be able to organize them in a way that kind of makes sense for my space. So the other thing is I'm about to redo the decor in my bedroom, not the furniture so to speak, I'll be keeping that, but the decor, so it will go together better, flow better, which is why I'm starting with the closet, and hopefully going to work from there. So I'll share all of that with you either in this video or future videos, but yes, it is an ongoing project and another opportunity for you to see how much I love organizing in addition to planning, and how I tend to use some of these skills in my space and tips that you might be able to pick up that might work for you as well. So let's keep going. So I need to go by what I need the most versus what I need the least. Onyx, you don't need to be in every shot of my video. Get out. This has a lot of my costume jewelry pieces that I don't wear often, but once in a while I'll go back in. And I also have some jewelry from my mom. I plan to keep this because it also has some jewelry from my mom, which is very sentimental to me. So I'm going to put these in toward the back of my closet because I don't go in this box as much, but I do want to continue to hold on to these things. So put that there. And then I'm also going to put my two camera bags on top of that, because though I don't use them often when I travel, I do like to use them because I can pack all of the things I need to make sure that I can still film while I'm away if I need to. Then the next thing I think I want to do is take some of my clothes that I need to store. So I have all of my shorts for the summer, which is coming up soon, so I don't want to put those away too far. And then I also have leggings, which I wear almost every day. So now I'm going to start transferring some of my clothes that I have been storing in these big bins. I may actually hold on to these because these might be the solution for my handbags. I've been trying to figure out how I'm going to store those, and I may need these to do that. So I'm not going to get rid of these right away, but I am going to take what's in here, which are all these little gym outfit pieces, and put them in these gray boxes so that I can kind of refer back to them on a daily basis. Just take them in and out, and then I leave my bags for last because that will be the hardest thing for me to figure out how to organize. Okay. Makeup bag, which is actually like my backup makeup bag, which is why it's so full. Love it. Okay. It's a tight space. We gotta make it work, but it's working. I ended up putting my makeup bag on top of my jewelry box, which is fine. They're kind of off in the closet now. I have my first box of my shorts for the summer now in the gray box, and the first gray box. These are still my leggings. I want to keep these towards the center because I wear them, like I said, almost every day now that it's spring. I'm going to put the rest of my shorts in the other large gray box. I kind of wanted them interspersed though with the colorful ones, but we'll see. We'll see if that really matters. So I'm going to keep going. All right, so these are the rest of my shorts, and the cool part is it has a little bit of space, so in case I find a cute new pair, I can add them in. My rule here is that if I buy something new, I have to get rid of something old, so I tend to try to do a purge after each season, which I've already completed for winter going into spring, but I like to do that so that I can have enough space, but then also make sure I'm being, conscious of giving back as well before I buy things that I don't necessarily need. Okay, so I already did the box with my leggings in them. I know I have a bunch more that I'll probably need to put in here from laundry, so I'll finish up that off camera. And now the next thing I have, I think in these smaller boxes, I have a lot of self-care things. So I have things for my nails, I have spa things. I'm going to use these to put a lot of my spa things in an organizational way. I still am going to use these big containers here, at least temporarily, to store some of my bags that I don't use on a regular basis. One, because they're larger. Two, because they're big and open so that I can have them hang out in the event that, I can't fit a lid on them. Rather than buy more boxes, I'll just use what I have. And I already like the designs of these. I think I got these at Target several years ago, and yeah, I've just been holding on to them and kind of reusing them for different projects. So I'm going to hold on to this one as well as this one, which I do like as well, for the silver and gold. But yeah, I'm going to transfer all of my bags, which were in a plastic bin, into those on the other side of my closet, and then see what I have left. So one of the other things I want to put over here is actually my sunglasses collection. So I have a bunch of cool little sunglasses, really not that high end, but they're just fun to wear for me in the summertime. And I'm going to take that box and put it on top of my shorts, sunglasses, summertime stuff, right? And then here I want to end up putting some of my nail polish. I bought these a while back at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, somewhere like that. I have this one, which I keep all of my daughter's medications in, and then I have one for myself as well. I'm going to put those right here in the center because I typically need to get to those every week at least. I'm going to put my facial steamer in one of these boxes, and also collect some of my extra little self-care things that I like to keep in my room in this box, and just start a box to keep those things in. I have a lot of things that I use for nail care, me and my daughter. I'm going to put those here. Smaller box that I put a lot of the like small accessory things. So the last part of this project is actually the bags. I'm going to take a few moments, organize them, get them in the bins, and then I'll put them up on the shelf, and hopefully we'll be done for today, at least in terms of organizing the top layer of my closet. So I'll show you at the very end a before and the after. I have finally finished, and I really do like the results. So I used these two larger storage boxes, which I previously had my clothes in, to put my handbags in, all of my larger ones. So they are up there, and I probably will go through them at some point in the future and just determine whether or not I need to get rid of more things. I did take a few out that I no longer use, and I'll put those in for donations. I also organized all of our nail care things. I have been wanting to do that for so long, but now I have a place to keep the nail dryer, all of the different polishes, and all of the accessories that we have. And I have one that's primarily my daughter's accessories, and then one that's for me. And I feel so much better. Now whenever I open these closet curtains, in my case, I know that I will like what I see. So I hope that gave you some ideas. I will come back and do another version where I organize all of my shoes down the bottom. You didn't get to see those in this video. I will be doing another video where I organize all of my shoes and everything else in my closet. And I'll probably also try to find a new way to store my jeans. Obviously, it won't be on the top shelf. That is fully occupied at this point. But if I'm able to make kind of a stable structure on the bottom, then maybe I can find something or some kind of containers to put my jeans in so that they won't be taking up so much space and weight on my bar, because I really don't want that to break anytime soon. But that is all that we've got for you today. It's been some work, and I will be back soon to share more with you about how I'm organizing for the spring and just to be happier in general. Take care, friends.